Hello students, today we'll discuss about ternary operator in Java programming. So what do you mean by ternary operator? As the name says, ternary operator means where there are minimum 3 operands. Now, if we'll see the syntax of this ternary operator, we can find the first place of the operand having a condition. Okay, then there is a question mark. Then we have an expression, that is expression if true. That means if the condition is true, if this condition is true, then this particular part will get executed. Then there is a colon, and after that there is another expression, and this expression will get executed if this condition is false. That means we can write like this. So this is the operand 1, just like this. Operand 1, just a minute. Okay, then this is the operand 2, and this is operand 3. So here, this is the first place of the operand. That's why we have mentioned it operand 1. Then there is a question mark, and this is the syntax. Then this is the operand 2 place, that is another expression. And this is operand 3 place, that is another expression. Basically, we use ternary operator when we want to check some condition. Okay. So that's why it is sometimes also called a conditional operator. Just see this particular picture. Now here we have written variable equals to the assignment operator, expression 1, then the question mark, expression 2, then the colon, then expression 3. That means if the expression 1, the first place of the operand, or the first operand, the place of the first operand, if it is true, okay, that means if it is returning a value true, if the condition is true, the condition written here is true, then this particular expression 2 will get executed and return the value, and that value we can store in the variable here. If this particular expression, that is the operand 1 place, in the operand 1 place we have condition, if this condition is false, then the portion that is present after the colon will get executed and it will return the value which will be carried by the variable where we are assigning the value, or where we are assigning the resultant value of the expression 3, that will carried by the particular variable. And so here expression 1 is the condition place, here expression 2 is the if the condition is true, then this particular part of the statement will get executed. If this particular condition that is written in the expression 1 is false, then this particular expression 3 will get executed. In both the cases, the resultant value will be stored in some variable if we are assigning it to a particular variable based on the requirement in our program. So conditional operator or ternary operator, as I said, conditional operator is also called ternary operator, or the other name of ternary operator is called the conditional operator. Now, where actually we use these operators, let us understand one instance here as an example. We are writing a program where we'll take a person's age and check its eligibility for voting. Now here it comes the condition. So we can easily solve this problem by using the conditional operator or ternary operator. In India, we know that the minimum age for voting is 18 years or above. So we need to check whether a person's age is greater than or equals to 18 or not. So the main part of our program will be the checking of the condition, that is the age we are entering to our program, whether this age is 18 or above 18. If it is 18 or above 18, then we know that the person is eligible for voting. If it is not, then the person is ineligible for the voting process. So what is the essential part of our program? Our program need to take input from the user in the form of the age of the user, and if it is 18 or above 18, then it will print a message, the person is eligible. If it is below 18, the message will be the person is not eligible. So let us understand, based on our syntax, let us understand what will be the uh, format of the ternary operator to solve this particular problem. So here, let's say we want to print the message. Now let's, our variable name is message. Okay, what type of variable we will see whenever we'll execute the program. Then we are using the assignment operator. After this, the place of or the meaning of ternary operator can be easily understood. Here, the first place you can see age is greater than equals to 18. Now this is our condition, the first operand place. Okay, the age will be a variable which will store the value of the age entered by the user. Okay, that we need to write in our program. If it is greater than equals to 18, which is our eligibility age for the voting, then there is a question mark, then there is a message we are printing here, the person is eligible. Now if this condition is true, let's say I'm entering a value like, let's say 19, and 19 is greater than equals to 18, then the person is eligible. Now our message to be displayed is eligible, so eligible will be assigned to the variable message, and we will display the message through our program. But if the user age, let's say it is 17, okay, then the person is not eligible, right? So to print this not eligible message, this particular part of the program will get executed. That is, after the colon we have another expression or we have another value. Now this resultant value will be assigned to the message variable, and if we will display the message, in that case the message will be not eligible for the age, that is 17. So this is all about your ternary operator to solve this problem. Okay. Now this is the theory part of this particular ternary operator. Let us understand how to solve this problem. So let me close this, okay, or minimize this. So we need to uh, write this ternary operator for solving this particular problem. So let me open the notepad. Okay, now in the notepad we need to do one thing. We have to first, to solve this voting problem, or to check the eligibility of the voter, we have to do one thing. Okay, we have to do one thing, we have to write the program. So first is import java dot util dot scanner. Okay, you know that as we are inputting the value, so we need to import the java.util package with the scanner class. Now after that, let us create one class, let's say ternary. Okay, under this we need to write public static void main string args, in the square bracket. It is a common format. So after this, we need to first create a object under the scanner class for taking the input from the user. Scanner, let's say sc equals to new, the keyword scanner, then the input stream. Already we have discussed system dot in. Okay, this is the common format to create the object of the scanner class. So after that, our work is to write a system dot out dot print ln. Now we need to write a output statement, enter your age. Okay, so this will ask the age to the user. Okay, now after that we need to store that particular value, that is age, in a variable. Let's say name of the variable is age. For getting the input, we need to create the the statement like this, that is sc, the object of the scanner class, then the particular function, that is next int, because our age will be an integer value, semicolon. Now we need to write the particular ternary operator here. So for that, let's say we need to display the message. So our type will be string. Then let's say message equals to. So here we need to write the condition of the ternary operator, that is age is greater than equals to 18. Then our question mark. Then there's the message, that is eligible for vote. Okay, then the colon, the expression 3 we need to write, that is not eligible. Sorry. Okay, now the semicolon, because it is a statement. Now our work is to print the system dot out dot print ln message. Then we need to close it. We need to close it. So this is our program. Okay, where we are doing what? We are taking the value from the user, the age value, and after that what we are doing, we are checking the age of the user through using the ternary operator, and then we are printing the message. Okay, so for that we need to save this. Okay, let's say ternary dot java. Okay, so here we have saved this. So my work is to run this program. Very simple. Go to the command prompt. Okay, now name of my program is ternary.java. So I'm writing Java C for compilation process. Ternary.java. Okay. Okay, there is an error. System.out.println enter your age. Okay, ternary.java package system does not exist. Let me check what is the error. Okay, so we need to do it capital. Okay. So now let me compile it again. Now it is compiled. Now let me run the program. So for that, Java ternary. Okay, so there is a spelling mistake. Java ternary. Okay, ternary spelling was wrong. Okay, now it is asking enter your age. Let me enter the age as 17. Okay, which is not eligible. The message is what? Oh, it is printing message. Just a minute. Oh. So as we are displaying directly from the variable, there should not be any double quotation mark. If we will write the double quotation mark here, then it will display as a string, but actually the message is not the string. Here it is the variable of string type. So we have to directly print this message variable, so that if we will write it here without the double quotation mark, then it will directly print the value present in that message. Okay, so save it. Again, we need to compile. Okay. Okay. Now Java C, Java C, then ternary. Okay. Dot Java. Enter. Okay. Java ternary. Enter your age. Let's say it is 17. So not eligible. Sorry. Again, if we'll execute it, let's say I'm writing 18, then eligible for vote. If I will write again, execute it, and I will enter the value, let's say 20, again the person will be eligible for vote. Now this is the beauty of the ternary operator or the conditional operator in Java. Thank you.